Hi, this is Muad from JB Academy. In today's video, we will be discussing a very important issue, which is lesson 7.5, grade 6. Divide a decimal by a whole number. This lesson is very important for both the students in grade 5 and in grade 6, even in grade 7. Here we start. Our objective today: divide a decimal by a whole number using long division. We need to remember one important thing. Because we are dividing a decimal, so we need to place the decimal point in the quotient above the decimal point or the point in the dividend. Then we need to check our answer to make sure. How we check our answer, we will see. I will show you two examples. Example 1, 86.1 divide 6. As I told you, if you know already how to divide whole numbers, this will help you too much. This is going to help you too much because this will help you in how to divide, what are the strategies of dividing. Just you need to know a new thing, that you need to put the point up. So first step, I put the point up here, directly above the point in the dividend. Now I start. As you remember, I told you in long division, sometimes we use, for beginners, the multiples of the divisor, which is 6. Now I divide 8 divides 6, so I'm using the strategy or the technique, which is divide, or does McDonald's sell burger? Divide, multiply, subtraction, and bring down. To remember this, try to remember this sentence: does McDonald's sell burger? Now divide. The first thing we divide, 8 divides 6 equals 1. 1 multiply 6 equals 6. Now we subtract. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Now we bring the 6 down, as we see. Then we divide again. 26 divides 6. As you can see, what number I multiply by 6, I get 26 or less than 26. It's 4, because 4 multiply 6 equals 24. Now we subtract. It is 2. Now we bring the last number, which is 1. 21 divides 6 equals 3, because 3 multiply 6 equals 18. Now we subtract, we get 3. 1 minus 8 we cannot, we take 1 from the 2. This becomes 11 minus 8 equals 3. Now we continue, we put 0 and continue. Now 30 divides 6, because we already have point. If you don't have point, we put 0, we add 0 here in the dividend, and we bring it down, and we put point up, but we already have point. So 30 divides 6 equals 5. Now 5 multiply 6 equals 30. If you subtract them, you get 0. So the quotient is 14.35. Now another example, which will be very easy compared to this example. 6.3 divide 7. Now, as I mentioned before, the first step, which is very important, we need to place the decimal point up. We need to place the decimal point in the quotient above the decimal point in the dividend here. So now we start dividing. Now 6 divides 7, we cannot, so we take it as a whole. 63 divides 7 equals 9. 9 multiply 7 equals 63. The same I do, does McDonald's sell burger? So first I divide 63 by 7, 9. 9 multiply 7 equals 63. Subtract them equals 0. So the answer 0.9 or 0.9. Now to check if your answer correct, you can either estimate or multiply the quotient by the divisor. And here, this example, we multiply the quotient by the divisor and we add the remainder, but here we don't have remainder. So that's all about how to divide a decimal by a whole number. Thank you very much.